welcome back to another video. It's your girl Arianne Styllz. Now from the title you can tell we be slaying and laying this bomb unit from Luvmehair.com. I must admit that I'm looking fresh out of the salon, but this is all thanks to Luvmehair.com and their beginner friendly, manageable, easy, all of those things. Their units are just chef's kiss. So if you want to see how I got this look all together, I would suggest that you stick around and keep on watching. Okay, babe, so this is the final look, and I can definitely say that, you know, Luvmehair has proven time and time again to be a game changer in ready to wear, effortless installation and effortless units that are not compromising on the quality. Like, the quality is there, the price is affordable, and it is very easy for even the beginners of all beginners, and even hairstylists. I'm sure they could appreciate a unit like this that you don't have to do too much. Like for this unit, I didn't bleach it, I didn't pluck the knot, I didn't do anything like that. It's straight out of the box. It wasn't even washed because I wanted to prove to myself and to you that Luvmehair stands by what they say. So they do. I can see myself, you know, adding a little highlight to it, you know, coloring it and all that good stuff, and it will possibly still hold up. So if I decide to color this unit, I'll definitely put out a video to just show you that not because of the price, the quality is not compromised. So yeah, I'm loving this unit. Let me know what you think about this look, if you're liking it. I feel like it suits me so well. The parting is spot on. Like, it is spot on. I look like I'm just stepping out of the salon, but little do they know that this was out of my little box onto my head, and I'm not a professional. So yeah, I'm loving this unit. Let me know in the comments down below how you're feeling about this look. If you do enjoy the look, all the details will be in the description box below, and possibly a code that you can use to save yourself a few coins. I would suggest that you pick your bob up as well. It's a summertime, guys. We don't want all this hair upon our body the entire time. Yeah, let's bob it out. Okay, let's bob it out. Yeah. So again, all the details will be in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. And while you're at it, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.